So, this is at a house in Ecuador, this really noisy carrier unit. I haven't seen it in a long time. And it's still here, it still works well. Yeah, I think that's a Bristol. Yeah, that's a Bristol recip. And the data is kind of illegible. 38 CKC. Oh wait, I think it's from 2004. Sounds really nice. And here we got some other units. Here's an LG dual inverter, which is running, but you can't even hear it. And here's this two Panasonics. This one's running. Sounds like it has a scroll in it. I haven't seen a Panasonic like this in a long time. And here's another one. This one sounds nice actually. I don't really hear these. This thing is getting really noisy now. There's this unit. Oh, we got some nice hot air. Bristol recip. And this is the unit at the other house. It's a Panasonic inverter. And yeah, I'm not sure if I could go back there because that's like the neighbor's house. I think I remember they also had like some kind of pool heater thing in here. Here's the pool. Oh, that's a new unit, I think. Those are all new units. RCA and Panasonic inverters. And here's this Panasonic air conditioner. Also running. Sounds kind of weird. Wait, what happened to the heat pump that was here? And there's a Panasonic wall unit. Can't really see the compressor. Wait, yeah, I remember there was like... that's weird. I guess they got rid of it then. I thought I remember seeing like some kind of air conditioner here. Unless they replaced it with that unit. But I thought that was a heat pump. Later on I'm gonna try to get a startup of this carrier. Oh, here's a pool heating motor thingy. It's freaking noisy. It's the neighbor's house, so I'm gonna be a little bit quiet. Electrolux. We got some units. Oh, these are all Panasonic inverters. Double one. Yeah, I haven't seen the Bard in so long. Oh, that's an older one too. And I don't know what that is. What the hell? What is that thing? It has like a tiny computer fan. No, it's not a Bard, it's a Wall King. And I can't tell what kind of compressor that one has. Yeah, that's neighbor's house. Okay. This one is super loud. Got a Bristol. Big old Bristol. But it sounds nice though. Okay, I wanted to get a startup of this unit, but turn it off and then turn it back on. Actually first you can turn on these Panasonics. Yeah, these ones. Well, yeah, this one's already running, but you can also turn it turn it on because it sounds nice.